Oh wow, what do you have here, Dom?
Oh, my new mini box off.
Let's take a look at it. Show up a little bit.
So
Wow, so this is...
Oh. No.
That's very cool. Imagine we had more stock though, because there's like
really?
nothing.
I just ordered some.
Oh, you got some stock in?
Yeah.
Bring it right up. Oh, there's plenty of stock. Oh, Skylar's driving.
Hi, I'm here with the stock. Let me. Here. 25 little mini brands.
Wow.
Mini brands. And I'm here to stop with all my fellow customers. A slime.
So you want to start opening these up?
A slime friend.
Oh, and he glows in the dark, right?
And the Yeti. The Yeti.
I love him.
And the makeup.
He's a gift. Oh, you got lots of cool friends.
And a ball. Just another ball. Wait, no, wait.
So let me ask you, where'd you get all this stuff?
Christmas.
Heck yeah.
So, I also got this little guy. Hold on. Okay, so there's gold ones and normal ones. And we're gonna just line up.
I'll put them all right here.
Yeah.
Oh wait, they roll.
Yeti.
Did you know that Yeti rhymes with spaghetti?
Maybe if we get some spaghetti, I'll get some. Want some. And then this guy.
Look at all this.
So, okay, so which one do you want to open?
Well, we probably should get something a little sharp.
No, it's easy to open. I'm going to open this one.
Okay.
It's one of the like tear here ones.
How about want me to tear them so they're all ready for you?
No, stop!
Okay. Oh, you help with a little. My nails are strong.
Okay.
Why don't you get it started?
Oh. No, you're supposed to pull here.
Oh.
That's what I told you. I told you it's one of those tear heel ones.
Ooh.
Credit to Santa Claus. Okay, so there's surprisingly each one. It's like a big banana. Big banana.
You maybe pushing.
Big banana. Big banana.
Oh, it's still wrapped more.
Oh. How silly of that. Why did I put two? Maybe Santa really wants to keep it protected. So, I pressing the button.
It's your button. Oh, it maybe it like.
Yeah, I think you have.
Oh, you pop this part off.
Ooh, yeah.
And then,
Okay.
oh.
So it's.
Each
well,
one is like 5.
I've seen something on YouTube that's like a banana like this. I don't know.
I would say it's more like an orange.
Where it had like surprises and things on it. Oh, sorry, Yeti. If we get some spaghetti, I'll let you buy it for free. Yeti discount on spaghetti. And with a flash, he opened it to see what he got. And he got some. What's this?
A1 sauce. That's like for steaks.
Where would that go? Would it go?
That would go. No, that would be on a shelf.
What's that? Credit to Santa Claus for all this good stuff. Again.
Yeah, big shout outs to Santa. Ooh.
Oh, collector's guide. And what's this? Bullseye!
Bullseye, that's more barbecue sauce. That'd be on a shelf.
Whoa,
Here,
whoa.
I use my nail and I kind of like rub it on.
Throwing off bullseye. So let me open the collector's guide. Oh yeah, we already have this. Ooh, there's like some other new goods. 7 plus we need to collect. Here we have all those sec. Wait, no, not all of them. Okay. Thanks for all that stock.
Oh, what's that one?
Macaroni.
Nice.
but not spaghetti yet.
Shelf.
Macaroni. No spaghetti yet. Zel.
Macaroni's kind of like spaghetti.
Zel. Oh. Zel. Oh. So, where did Jello go?
Jello would be on the shelf.
Jello. 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 Oh. Jello. A new shopping cart. So I guess. So.
Whoa, I got a shopping cart?
Yeah. So I guess.
Oh, that's awesome, because there's an extra spot there.
I didn't know that. I actually would. No, that's where people enter that.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, so we know we can do two.
So now there's more stickers. So when we build this.
I want to see if this, oh, so this can seal up again.
Oh, yeah.
Because if you put it like this, you can put the little plug back in it.
So, let's see. How do you build this? Can you put it together?
Yeah.
But
I
remember,
can't believe you
also
got 5 of these done.
also.
Interrupted by a phone call.
So guys.
That's right. So let me build that.
Okay, and put the stickers on it, and the stickers on each side.
Yeah, well, you will put the stickers on.
Okay. So.
This is different than our other card.
I'm gonna open the next one. Oh, I hear what's up inside.
Oh, it's not a card. It's a basket.
Yeah. At first I thought it was a card. Oh my, oh my. Falling things. Falling stock. Stock is falling, stock is falling. Please don't fall, please don't fall. No, we don't want you to fall, no, no, no. We'll just put it down like that.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, we finished that, so I'm really wanting to get one of those rare ones. We only have 2 gold, but I could get a super rare one. I don't know. Oh. Bang, bang. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. So take this off. Do. Where's the peel thing? Is that it? No, I don't think so. Oh wait. No.
Oh, yeah.
Where does this thing open? Okay. I don't care for it. Oh, don't
Get
fall.
down, look at that.
Nice.
Little basket.
Yeah. I'll put
And then
it
you want to put the stickers on it? Or do you want me to?
Oh yeah, I will. Mini brands. So everyone knows it's mini brands. I put a sticker on there that says mini brands. I can't open this thing.
Yeah, that's
Why?
There's a, there's a spot.
I know, I looked everywhere. How? How is that so easy for you?
Yeah, I saw where the little lines were.
I know, I looked over. And great. Great. We're off to a great start. Oh,
Well, I'm gonna take, while you're waiting, I'm gonna take the plastic off them.
it looks like a giant, it looks like a giant octopus. Oh. Eggs.
Edge is shaving cream.
So,
Yeah,
I'll put it just down.
that's a good spot for it.
So next one, what will I get? Wait, why is it in a bag? Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Yeah, shelf, that's a lot of soy sauce. That's like a Costco version.
Stock is falling, don't fall. I'm goofy. I'm very goofy. Maybe I'm goofy for Mickey. Nice. wet ones. Oh yeah, I saw this on the box.
Oh,
wet.
nice.
I'm wet.
That'll be great for when you gotta, if any like babies need their diapers changed, isn't it for that?
Yeah, it's for my brother. He'll come in and buy that.
I can't believe how many of these things you got.
I know, it's like millions. I think bacon.
Fridge.
Yep. Bacon. Bacon bits. Bacon. One day I bit a bit of bacon. I bit a bit of bacon. I bit a bit of bacon.
Yeah, I got those all ready for
Oh
you.
yeah, I bit a bit of bacon. What did I say?
You bit a bit of bacon? You bit a bit of bacon.
Bit a bit of bacon. Bit a bit of bacon. Okay. Wow. Wait, is this gold? Let me just check.
Ooh, that's cool.
I might have just got a super rare. I don't know. Let me just check if it's a super rare.
Chili.
Nope, not super rare. So where would this go?
That would be on a shelf. Because like that wouldn't go bad because it's in a can.
I'm going to open this. Voila. Voila. La 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 la. Another yummy octopus. Lunchables.
Just Lunchables, that should be refrigerated.
Everything is falling.
This is awesome.
Many branches falling down, falling down, falling down. Okay, what's next? What's next? Yeah. Open up. Oh my god. Why does Yeti keep falling? Scarlet soy. Oh, no. Bagel bits. Pizza snacks. Where would this go?
What is it?
This.
That would need to be refrigerated.
Bacon bits. Booty bites. Oh my. Oh my. Booty. I broke my hand. Stay in there.
Maybe put them on the bottom shelf.
And I'll just leave this up here.
Yeah.
Why won't this thing balance?
Let's see.
So I'll just open the next one. While you do soy for me. Bop, 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 bop. Oh,
Pickles.
pickles. Where would
That would just go on the shelf. That doesn't need to be refrigerated.
pickles? Quickly pickles. I love me some ketchup.
Shelf.
I love me some ketchup. Garlic and herbs.
That maybe the fridge would be a good spot for that.
Oh no. I'm just gonna put it here.
Yeah.
That's
That
it.
shelf has a bit of a lean. That's okay. So are these empty?
So I'm done with the gold. Sorry guys, sorry it's taking a long time.
No, I think they're digging it.
I love these cool octopuses.
Look, Skylar's like, what the heck?
Yeah. What's this? Sunscreen.
Hawaiian Tropic sunscreen. That would be a shelf.
If
Put
you-
it on your big shelf. The bottom's empty.
Okay. I'm hoping I get a new like building stuff. So again. Okay, I'll just put that over the top of it. Because I have it again. Not these big things. Soy sauce again. Okay, I'm getting double. Nope. So I get in this new. Ooh, no. Wait a sec. Oh, I think I got some glow in the dark. Let me take that second. I got a glow in the. I got 2 glow in the darks.
What are they?
I got 2 there. Look.
Oh, neat.
Wow.
What's that? Oh, shaving cream. That's Barbasol. I use that sometimes.
Barbasol. Yeah, it's a thing. If you ever need it really quick, I'll put it right here.
That's a good spot.
Open sesame.
Ooh, what's that? Pure, oh, that's the shaving cream Mommy uses.
Come on, let us in. Skylar, why were you in the front and now you, wait, what? Daddy, I feel like there was another thing in there.
Oh.
Keep it back.
No, okay.
Open.
I checked them before I throw it in.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't gotta worry about that.
Ugh.
So we're on our last one.
Everything falls. Everything falls. Everything falls. I'm really hoping to get the moon pie one because that's.
The what?
Ooh.
Wow, another shopping cart?
Yeah, I think it's in the. Yep. I'm wanting the moon pie because it's the other glow in the dark, and I got all the glow in the dark except that. Okay, you did that. I made it.
So you want me to build this?
Yep. Not moon pie. More soy sauce.
Is it a different kind?
Yep, different kind of soy sauce. And that I see.
I guess the company that makes this really wants us to get lots of soy sauce.
Wait, let me check. Gold. There's more gold on this. Oh, there's like new things for the gold packs. They have new ones.
Wow.
So let me check on the gold ones. So, did we get that from the gold ones? Oh, we want to get that one.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah, if we did, that would be really good. Oh, we could get little mini brands, little bags. Oh, can't wait. There's another glow in the dark, metallic. I haven't got really any of the metallic. Soy sauce. What do you mean there's no more soaps? No more open places. We're filling up. Okay, good thing there's one last. Oh, there's a few more. 2 more. More glow in the dark. Well, I'm really good at getting wares. I've already got 2 of wares. I want moon pie. Please moon pie. Please moon pie. I want to see moon pie. No. Sorry. So let me check. Do I have any of the metallic? Let me sit down and look. I do have one. The wet ones is metallic.
Oh, nice.
I thought, where are the wet ones? It feels nothing like metal.
Well, maybe there's 2 versions of the wet ones. So there's your shopping cart. So let me see the. Oh wait, actually, I can look at this.
So yeah, everyone. Now I must put in my silly.
Yeah, there's 2 wet ones down. Regular wet ones. Or
I didn't-
metallic wet
I didn't
ones.
think I
That
did.
must be the regular wet ones. Is that all the
What
ones?
slime we're going? Yeah, all of them.
That's awesome. Yeah, I'll get the camera close up so people can see what you're working on.
So slime. Oh, it's so slime. Oh no. Oh no. Silly. Silly. Bang. Oh. So he's gonna take the shopping cart. And his shopping cart is already like filled. And he's going to take some glow in the dark.
So this is a pretty cool set.
Voice.
Would you recommend this to other kids?
Yes. Get it for Christmas. And now I'm going to check it out for slime. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. So now slime will take its food and leave. He took both of the glow in the darks. Now he's walking far away and getting back in the boat. Well, the car boat. Sea Patrol. I used it just because I was the only big sin. Oh, and he... Okay, well, next is the Zeph. So we'll take a call. Oh wait, that's the wrong way. So we'll come through here, like, and everything will fall. And then, Daddy, how dare you? What, everything is falling, like everything. We have the falling store. Oh, what's this weird things on the ground? Creak. We should put some arrows on the floor because of COVID.
That would be smart. They must have designed this before COVID.
Yes. So you're going to take these. Need a bag? Nope. That thing, and she's going to go back into the big old sea patrol. Old sea patrol. Next up is the raccoon kind of guy, but he's actually a ferret. He came all the way far away from Arcade City, and he's going to take some Jello for his ride home, and some saving cream. I think that's saving cream now. And he sucks it out. Check. And then he gets ready for his ride home. And starts eating his Jello. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. That was a fun. Jello. Bo! Welcome to the final shopping place. I'll put that back for him. The Yeti. Sorry, Yeti, we don't have any spaghetti. He wants nothing. Nope. And last but not least, Scarlet. Nope. Doesn't see anything he wants. Hey, there's another customer. He's golden. Gold, I say gold. He's a golden customer. He's a golden customer. Golden customer. And he will take all the food. And he will buy it up and leave. But I can't see. And that concludes the video of the following shopping mart.
Want to say bye to everybody?
Goodbye. Credit to Santa.